Today I will share with you not only how to create this beautiful 6-braid challah, but also the story behind its creation. This is absolutely outside of my comfort zone, but I thought it was important to share this intimate process with you. As many of you know, I'm a doctor, and when I have difficult days at work, I cope by eating chocolate, maybe too much chocolate, and baking challah. This particular challah creation was a result of one of these baking sessions after a particular difficult week, where I had to announce to a family that I have been following for many years that we had exhausted all therapeutic avenues and we had to focus on making their child comfortable. This broke my heart. From that feeling, I wanted to create intertwined hearts in the braiding of my challah to show that my heart was aching with theirs. After many failed attempts to make my heart-shaped bread, I realized that the solution was right in front of me the whole time. I was simply not focusing on the right angle. I finally came up with this design. Prepare 6 strands of challah, and for my foolproof easy challah recipe, watch my video after this one, and the link will also be in my description box below. Put your 6 strands side by side and braid your challah like it was 2 separate 3 strands challah, one on the right and one on the left, leaving the top strands free. Put together the 2 middle strands, then the 2 outside strands together to the right, then the 2 outside strands together to the left. Braid them together loosely, then braid the other side. I know it still looks like nothing, but as in life, sometimes we search and search and cannot see what is right in front of us until we realize if we changed our perspective, the solution would have been staring at us from the beginning. Turn your challah once more. There, do you see them? All these hearts. Align the braids while leaving a small space for the challah to increase in size. Leave it to rise for 40 minutes. Then apply your egg wash. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. And you are left with a beautiful yet simple 6 strands challah. I feel that this design is a lovely reminder that sometimes the most beautiful things in life are the simplest if we make time to look for them. If you're still watching, please write in the comments, "Love is love," so I know you were here with me until the end. And if you feel comfortable, I would love for you to write in the comments, who would you give this heart-shaped challah to? Maybe a person you didn't say I love you for a long time, your spouse, your children, a friend. For me, I would share this challah with my family, my friends, my patients, and of course you, who have been supporting me in my YouTube journey since the beginning. I hope you will enjoy, give, and share this challah with people you love as a reminder that your hearts are united as one. I would encourage you to watch these 2 videos as a follow-up. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.